Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing LankyBox's Foxy. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the face with an oval. Now top in and let's draw 2 circles at the top for the eyes. And then another circle inside each one on the top right. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. And then on top of each eye, let's draw a curve up and back down for the eyebrows. Next, we're going to hop underneath and let's draw a large oval. And now hop inside, and for the nose, we'll start with a curve across and another curve underneath. Then hop down and let's draw 2 bumps going out for the mouth. Now underneath on both sides, let's draw a V-shaped point down for the teeth. And then one more curve underneath. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a long line across. And then bring it down on both sides. And then close off the bottom, forming a rectangle shape. Now let's hop inside, and at the top, let's draw 2 angles down. Then let's angle it back in from the bottom. And then a V-shaped point in the center. Next, let's hop on top of the head and let's draw the ears. On the top left, let's draw 2 angles going up. And then close off the top with a curve. Now let's do the same thing on the right side. And now inside each ear, let's do the same thing. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw 2 curves down and in, meeting at the bottom. Next, inside on the belly, let's draw a curve up and back down in the center. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's hop to the sides and add the arms. Let's start under the head and let's draw an angle down and then curve it at the bottom. And the same thing on the right side. Now underneath, let's do the same thing going down and curve it out. And then connect the lines with the curve. Now top inside and let's draw another curve at the end of each arm. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop down and draw the legs. Underneath on the left, let's draw 2 lines down and 2 on the right. And then close off the bottom of each leg with a curve. and add one more curve inside. Now that we're done the main part of the body, lastly, let's add the tail. On the left side, let's draw a curve out and curve it up. And the same thing underneath. And then close off the end with a curve. Now for the end of the tail, let's draw 2 lines curving up, and then a zigzag line across. And that's it for Foxy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!